What's up, everybody? Welcome to BioS3 Raw TV. Well, our friends over at PricePlow, CJ, what's up, man, had a contest going on Instagram the other day, and it was how many calories are in 1 gram of branched-chain amino acids. Now, first of all, it's a trick question, because even scientists are still fucking arguing about that fact. But many people, I'm willing to bet you, I didn't check it out, but I'm willing to bet you many people, 1 gram of, 1 gram of aminos, right, would technically be 4 calories. Because they're thinking of the aminos like protein. 1 gram of protein has 4 calories in it. Now, here's the problem with that. This is the trick question. I've heard people say, well, for every gram of protein, there's 1,000 milligrams of amino acids. So 1,000 milligrams make up a gram. Okay, those are measurements in weight. Now, here's the problem with that. Not everything in protein is amino acids. So when your body, when you take in protein as a food source, right, that's the food source that contains amino acids. However, there are byproducts that your body gets rid of while it extracts the amino acids, and those byproducts are usually what fucks up your kidneys. Okay, it's not the amino acids, it's actually the byproducts of protein metabolism to get the aminos. Now, once the protein or the aminos have been extracted from the protein, you have the aminos, the byproducts are gone. You are left with how many calories? How many milligrams? How many grams? Here's the thing. For every 20 grams, this is the study that they did, that you can find this study anywhere. All you do is Google it. For every 20 grams of protein, you can take in 10 grams of essential amino acids that get the same result. So about half of what you take in amino acid, protein-wise, you take in amino acid-wise. So literally it's 50%. Therefore, going by that theory, here's the trick question part, if you go back to their contest, which is how many calories per gram of branched-chain amino acids, technically the amino acids are extracted from the protein already. Therefore, 1 gram would have 2 calories, technically, right? Now that's one train of thought. The other train of thought is, again, 4 calories. Now, which one is right? We'll see what the doctor had to say. I'll check it out later today and see what's up. But the thing is, guys, I'm going to go back to 2012. The videos are up here. You can find them. I specifically told people that these amino acids contained energy. That energy, the way to measure energy is calorie, the kilocalorie. That's what's in these amino acids. And again, people told me I was fucking nuts. Like, Jerry, it's a branched chain amino acid. It doesn't have calories. Here we are, 2018. It's 6 years later. And motherfuckers are now coming out saying that the amino acids technically have calories. Anything you put in your body that's a source of energy is technically considered a kilocalorie. That's what it is, a measurement of energy you're putting in your body. Because amino acids, fats, carbohydrates can be used for actual physical energy, therefore, they technically contain calories, but here's the thing. Calories only pertain to food. You can't say that, this shaker bottle right here has calories in it because it's not food, right? Technically, food has calories. Amino acids, glycogen, glucose, fatty acids are technically not food. It's what's extracted from the food. So technically, they cannot contain calories because they're not food. However, there is a measurement of energy and they go in your body and produce energy, which is exactly why you're taking food. Very confusing, I know, but guys, I'll tell you what right now. It is very difficult to figure out these questions. Like when you start breaking shit down and people really start to get into the brass tacks and the bottom of it, it's kind of hard. It's not that easy because you're going to find 5 people that say one thing, 5 people that say another thing, and 5 people over here that disagree with both of them. Which one is right? I don't fucking know. I don't know, and I don't think scientists know. I don't think the gurus on the internet know. I don't think all the people out there fucking being smug as fuck talking about science, bro. I don't think they know either. What they do is they take a fucking guess because they honestly, truly believe there are no absolutes with this stuff. Everybody's body is different. The way that their body reacts is different. How much protein they need is different. How much amino acids they need is different. How much glycogen. Everything is so different that it's almost impossible to say this is how it works. Now, we know how chemical reactions work in the body, but here's the thing. Some people genetically, the way that their bodies react hormone chemical wise, are different than another person. So it's like we're trying to figure out something that is so individual and put a blanket statement and just nail a sign on it that says this is the way, this is the blueprint, it's only like this, which technically can't be done. So I guarantee you within the next year, we're going to say next year, hopefully we can reference this video a year from now, we're going to see people arguing about calories and amino acids, about whether glycogen and glucose are the same fucking thing, We're going to see whether or not fatty acids are the same thing as saturated fat. We're going to see all these fucking things. We're going to hear about, well, maybe maybe this is wrong the way that they, because I've already seen people say the way that they figure out how many calories are in food, and they showed it's basically like a crock pot. Anyways, the process of that could be way the fuck off. Now, it's all we have to measure the energy in food, right? And it's working so far, technically, right? So really, why look towards anything else? But what if there was a better way? What if there was a more accurate way? What if there was a way that helped you control your body better? That's what we're hoping to find out. We'll see you in the future, guys. BioStraining@gmail.com. Leave comments down below, but don't fight. www.biostraining.com is a blog. It's the no calories in this bicep because it's not food, motherfucker, and we are